Here is the app called Pixnova AI Photo and Video Maker. So here is the app. Customize your 3D model. Turn your ideas into videos. Become favorite anime characters. And then you can just tap Get to install it. Double click to install it. So there you have it. Polaroid, Portrait, Christmas, all the trending AI filters which you can just try. And then you just see it like that. So then you can just see AI filters to change hairstyle, all the kind of different setups, AI filters, AI photos, me. And then Pro, you can have 3 days free trial and weekly $7. So there is free trial. There are no referral codes, and then there is like a deal, 92% off if you do not upgrade the first time. And then there is also like invitation code which you can try to use. So here is just use it. I don't know where to enter it, by the way. So here you can just explore it. Maybe you just can see it like that. So that's what you see in here.